In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this reel has no sound on Facebook. So first thing you can try is simply check if your sound system is enabled. So if you just click on here, the sound, make sure your sounds are enabled just like this. So if this doesn't fix your issue, then you can go right away to Play Store and type in Facebook. Now sometimes you're gonna have to update Facebook to fix an issue or a bug. So as you can see here, I need to update, so I'm gonna update it. As you can see, it's updated now, and hopefully this fixes your issue. If you're still having issues, then go to the settings on your phone, and here search for apps, and here go to Facebook. Now here what you're gonna do is go to storage and clear cache, and clear you want to clear data. So here it's saying to delete the data. Like, don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal data, so just delete the data and delete the cache. So after you do this, you can check if this fixes your issue. Now if this doesn't still not fix your issue, then you can try the last option, which is basically to try to delete and reinstall the app and see if that works. Now sometimes some sounds on Facebook might not work because of copyright issues, so a sound might work for a certain period of time and then might stop working because the copyright issue has been activated. So this could be an issue. And that's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.